Christmas has come early for me. Classic Mini Spares have sent me another package, so this is some parts I ordered a week ago. So we've got replacement brake parts and all sorts of stuff in here. So let's have a little look, see what has come. Brand spanking new door stops. Now that's a rebuild kit for the front radius arm, sorry, the front top arm, and some other bits in there. A socket for the ball joints and all sorts of bits and bobs. Don't know what they are. Oh yes, they are. They're for the door, where the door stops come through. We've also got front subframe mounts. More front subframe mounts. Air filters. These are the air filters for the Mini Cooper S air filter box. So there's those little fellas. And hopefully in here should be, where's my knife gone? Hiding under there. Brand new brake discs. Now the ones that came off the car were okay, but they were below the legal limit for a warrant of fitness. So there you go, like brand new discs. So they should look really nice on the car. And then in this other package here, we should have some more goodies. I'm probably jumping the gun with these parts, so I don't need them for quite a while, but I thought while I've got the money, I'll just get these bits. There could be door trims and stuff in here. It's well packaged up. Oh, and I can see, again, I think there's the decals for the side. So the 1275 GT decals, so that's good. I could have used some more bubble wrap on here. Jeez. I definitely didn't want it getting damaged. Far out. My daughter will be happy with this bubble wrap, she loves that stuff. Some bits have just revealed themselves out the bottom, hold on. Come here, you swains. So there we go, there's all the brand new trims for the tops of the doors for the windows, so they're lovely. I didn't even realise you could get them until I went on their website. That's those, and then this is the stickers. I won't undo it all the way, but that's the reproduction 1275 GT stickers for the sides. I'll leave them in there just to keep them intact. If I undo it all, they'll get buggered, and we don't want that. But anyway, I should put these all away somewhere safe until we come to refitting it on the car. But there you go. Yeah, classic Mini Spares. They seem to have everything for this car. I'm not worried about not being able to get parts for it anymore, which I was before. Beautiful.